morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my children. Good morning to you. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Thanks for coming to school again today. Today we will be talking about numbers. I'm going to pick number 3 as our special number for the day, but I thought we'd start with a puzzle. I have the numbers kind of mixed up here. They're not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, and we're going to do a puzzle. If I hold up this piece and you count it, we'll find the number together, okay? So the fish are 1, 2, 3, 4. Gotta look for number 4. Got it. Let's try another one. This is a xylophone. 1, 2. Gotta find number 2. Yes. Sometimes I try to trick you. I think today is going to be my day. I'm going to try to trick you. Okay, let's try another one. A kite. This is one. This is one kite. See, we're putting the puzzle pieces together. See, it fits. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3 cars. Number 3. They go together. I'm going to put this in order. 1, 2, I'm going to put 3 right there. 4. So this last one is 5 monkeys. I have the number 5, but you got to count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was a number puzzle. If I put this over here, it would be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I better put it on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was a little puzzle. Now I have magnets. And this is a magnet board. There's 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. And I'm going to put all the ones together. All the 2s, all the 3s, all the 4s, and all the 5s. Can you help me? Okay. I got a 1. Nope. And another one. There you go. We got all 3 ones. Let's try number 2 now. 2, 2, 2. Sometimes I just nod my head. I want to know if you can find the same numbers that we need each time. Because can you find number 3? We got to find the same number 3 now because we're matching 3s. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You found it. And now we'll put this 3 on. Miss Richard Talley's trying to trick you. I told you today's the day I'm going to try to trick you. So this was a 3. Now this column's going to be this number 4. 4, 4, 4. So what comes next? Let's figure it out together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5, 5, and 5. See, you put them in columns and you put them in the right order. That's another way of practicing your numbers. Now we're going to do a craft, okay? As I said, the number I think I want you to do today, that's going to be our special number, will be number, you tell me what this number is. Did you say 3? Okay. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the number 3. I have a bunch of different things. I have the number 3, flower, star. 3 different choices. You're going to see when I use my glue stick, when I rub, and I push down a star, if the number's 3, I want to put 3 of them, okay? That'll be how we do the craft today. Another star. That's 2 of them. Another star. That's 3. Did Miss Vichitelli trick you again? It's yellow. I thought I could trick you, but that was the flower. So, there you go. Let's try again. I'll do the flowers now, okay? I'll put 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers. This is the number 3, and I have 3 flowers. I have 3 stars. And now, if you remember, I showed you this number, which was 3, right? 1 there. Another one here. Another one here. Another 3 there. Should I put this here? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Stop! You're right, because if I added this one, there'd be 4 of them. Did you like that craft? The number 3, and we put 3 items of each. Okay. I think before I say goodbye, I have this new board that I can actually trace the number 3. I'm going to show you. I can go half a circle. This isn't working so good unless it's me. Half a circle, half a circle. That's the way you make a 3. Half a circle, half a circle. That's the way you make a 3. Okay? You always start from the top and you go to the bottom. Number 3. You did amazing as you always do today, and besides just counting to 3, let's count up to 10. Alrighty? Let's do it together, and I'm going to show you that this was our number of the day. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my little friends, our day is done, and I'm going to sing goodbye to you. And this one's to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. I've done it before, but I wanted to do it again today. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye, goodbye, children. Thanks for coming to school today. I'm always happy to be with you. Have a great rest of your day. Mwah! Te amo.